Santa can't do everything, and neither can we. So we have this list of referrals for companies that we work with and trust. We've broken this down by area. So some companies have multiple, or some categories have multiple companies, but chimney work, we specifically use the chimney scientists in Conshohocken. They are fantastic. Joe that owns that company is an amazing dude. Also does a lot of content. For painting, we have Artisan Painting and Media, and then Chris Druker with CertaPro Painters in Newtown Square. HVAC, we've got Home and Business Mechanical in Havertown. We've got James Brown out in Westchester. Lowry up in like Lansdale area. Burns and McBride is our company for down in Wilmington and Delaware. Plumbing, my buddy Ryan runs Family Roots Plumbing. We go to the gym together a lifetime in King of Prussia. Great company, awesome dude. For payroll, as you know, we use Ann Angelucci at PremierNow up in Royersford. For IT, we use Pat DeCola and Matt Gallo at M-Shop 360. Dan Wolf Home Pros, that's our handyman. And then Chris Ollis, our GM Matt, it's his dad's company out in Coatesville, do all maintenance, and they do a ton of work at my house as well and at the office here. For basement waterproofing, we use Jameson Home Services. Steve, my buddy, runs the waterproofing division. For home builders, we work with Pinemar in the main line, and then down in Delaware, we work with Colonial Construction. Joey's a good buddy of mine. Renovations on the main line, Brian Buono from Buono Construction. For restoration, quite a few. We've got Belfour in Exton, 1-800 water damage out in like Newtown for all of that area. There's a few others. And then for kitchen exhaust, we use our sister company HOODZ, Kevin Gerlin. And then for dumpsters, we use another sister company, RedBox Plus. All of those companies we give work to, and there's a few others that are not on this list that we work with. But when you call us and we can't handle something, these are the companies that we recommend and we trust.